Subtract 200 from 3188.48 using long subtraction. Line up the decimal points in the same column. Add placeholder zeros so both numbers have the same number of decimal places. We work from right to left and finish one column before moving to the next. In the hundredths column, 8 minus 0 is 8. In the tenths column, 4 minus 0 is 4. In the ones column, 8 minus 0 is 8. In the tens column, 8 minus 0 is 8. In the hundreds column, 1 is less than 2, so we need to borrow. Borrow 1 from the thousands column. 3 becomes 2. The 1 in the hundreds column becomes 11. In the hundreds column, 11 minus 2 is 9. Bring down 2 in the thousands column. Bring the decimal point straight down into the answer. The final result is 2988.48.